All right, today is May 11th, 2021. We are doing our one box Crown Royale break number 2. 3 random teams per spot. Got both of our dice here for our random. Gonna pull up the list since it was 3 teams per spot. We have the order that you bought in, those 10 spots. And then copy and paste it down 2 more times. So we got Kip C with 2, Tommy S with 1, Thad B with 1, Jeremy F with 2, Michael G with 1, Terrence D with 1, Michael L, and Kong L. Starts over again. Kip C 2, Tommy S, Thad B, Jeremy F 2, Michael G, Terrence D, Michael L, and Kong L. And we got Kip C 2, Tommy S, Thad B, Jeremy F, Michael G, Terrence D, Michael L, and Kong L. Copy those in. Hawks down to the Wizards on our teams. Pull this off, roll our dice. We do only reroll snake eyes. Any duels will be randomed off at the end if there are any dual autos. The Heir to the Throne cards, there is players on the back, but that is not what the checklist says. The checklist says that it goes to the card on the front. So any Heir to the Throne cards, whoever's on the front is where it's going. Dual autos will be randomed. But we got 7. 7 times, 6 and a 1. All right, starting with names. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Here's everybody's spots. Michael L down to Michael G. 7 times. Michael L down to Michael G. Now on the teams, Hawks down to the Wizards. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7th and final. Here's everybody's teams. Heat down to the Warriors. 7 times on that list. Heat down to the Warriors. Going to sort by name. So everybody gets their teams bunched up. Run through the list. Drop those trades down below. Both parties must confirm. If they do, we'll switch those up. All right. We got Jeremy F, Grizzlies, Pelicans, Kings, Blazers, Lakers, and Timberwolves. Nice roll, Jeremy. Kip C, Raptors, Hornets, Bulls, Mavs, Pacers, and Magic. That's a nice roll, too. Kong L, Jazz, Thunder, and Spurs. Michael G, Hawks, Clippers, Warriors. Michael L, Heat, Nuggets, Celtics. Terrence D, Wizards, Rockets, Suns. Thad B, Cavs, Pistons, Bucks. And Tommy S, Sixers, Nets, and Knicks. All right, 15-second warning. Five, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's get going. All right, good luck, everybody. Empty box. Come on. There we go. All right, starting with a Luka Doncic going to the Mavs. Donovan Mitchell. Alexei Pokashevsky going to the Thunder. Fred VanVleet. Here's our patch. Markelle Fultz. Ooh, that's a nice one. Knights of the Round Table. Markelle Fultz. Tyrese Halliburton RPA on-card auto 111 out of 199. Boom. Nice hit for the Kings. That is a nice one. Wendell Carter Jr. Crystal variation going to the Bulls. And our die cut. Wow, have a break. Tyrese Halliburton, 47 out of 49, rookie royalty die cut, red. Boom, nice hit. Kings killed it. I know he's injured, but that was a nice hit. All right, that is going to close out Crown Royale number 2. Congrats to all of our hitters. We'll get those sent out as soon as possible.